Hey y'all, it's a windy, beautiful May day here in the Great Smoky Mountains, and we are at Smoky Mountain Getaway. This is a brand new cabin community right near the Parkway, about 2 or 3 miles, and the roads are easy. So if you're looking for a brand new place to stay with easy access, then this would be the place for you. Let's go in, friends, and check out Smoky Mountain Getaway.
There was a time when I was lonely. I was trying hard to get by, taking day by day. But baby, then you came along. I know I never felt that strong. Nothing's gonna hold us down. Yeah, we are taking off the ground now. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. My soul wanted healing consolation. You and me were in the moment we've been waiting for. Come summer, winter, fall or spring, no matter what the future brings, nothing's gonna hold us down, 'cause we are taking off the ground now. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. Nothing's gonna hold us down. Yeah, nothing's gonna hold us down, 'cause we are taking off the ground now. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by, by and by. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. We're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. There was a time when I was lonely. I was trying hard to get by, taking day by day. But baby, then you came along. I know I never felt that strong. Nothing's gonna hold us down. Yeah, we are taking off the ground now. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there.
That will do it here today on this beautiful day in the Great Smoky Mountains, right near Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, just a couple miles on easy access roads, like I said. So if you're someone that don't like mountain roads and you want to be close to the Parkway, this cabin is one for you. And if you like brand new cabins, also, this is one for you guys. So you guys, we want to thank American Patriot Getaways for allowing us to do these tours. Thank you all for watching. And if you like these, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up and share us to your friends. Until next time, we'll be seeing you at the next cabin here in the Great Smoky Mountains.